I got banned. I got scammed. And when Gemini told me that if I click this link, then I can get the Skylight Calendar on any device for free, my brain went kabam. So out of the blue, I decided to sign up to Skylight and to see if this was real, make sure I wasn't being bamboozled, and surprisingly enough, I have not been bamboozled. You can just explore the app for now. We're not going to do this yet because this is personal, but you can add a household email, create a unique household email. You can add stuff to it. Just explore in the app, so I don't have one yet. So, for the sake of this, let's just make a fake one. Yas chosen people. Next. Yeah, next. So yeah, there we go. We can sync a calendar. There's this meal prep thing, but you have to subscribe to that, so let's not even go there. You can also have the calendar here. You can just literally set it out. You don't even have to do anything else. You can even make a dinner plan here. What's for dinner? So, for example, homeschool pizza night. Party, actually. Homeschool pizza party. And it repeats. Countdown. You can add a countdown. Description for doing your homework. You can play games and eat Dad's delish pizza. So that's how you do it. Again, I'm exploring because I've never done this before. This is just amazing how you can actually schedule things on here. You can filter stuff, search. You can even, this is just amazing. You can add photos. So you can actually, just do stuff like that. Rewards is a plus feature. I will show you how to actually give rewards later. Lists, you can even set up Alexa. Account settings, you can change the account settings. You can even add app settings. And you can turn on notifications if you want. Calendar notifications, shade weekends. You can look at sync calendars, notifications as well. General notifications, start week on Sunday, Monday. So yeah, that is how it works. Sync calendar, Alexa, give 10%, give 50%, manage subscriptions. You can do a lot with this thing. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can continue if you want. Later we will we will put up some pictures soon of how our makeshift laptop/computer Skylight Calendar looks. Makeshift. This is 100% free. Rewards apparently are a paid feature. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. At the end we will show the pictures and a bit of bloopers and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see each and every one of y'all in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Shalom. Bye.